Hello everybody and welcome back to Diamond Painters with Mike. We've got a little range haul for you here today, and we've got two items we're going to be unboxing, which is this gorgeous cup and the pencil case that Harris Taylor very kindly told me about. If it weren't for that man, I don't think I would have ever knew it was out, because I didn't even know anything about this pencil case, so because I haven't been there for a while. And as you can see, as you know, I'm not really big on cups, because I've always been curious as to how you'll wash it without it getting like damaged in the drill part. But Andrew was like, you take it apart and it's a different part that comes out that you wash up. And seeing Angela unbox it, really, it just looks so pretty. And I thought, yeah, why not? Let's give it a go. Now, this this was a click and collect that I did a few days ago. And this comes in two different designs. And because both the designs were really nice, I wasn't bothered which one I got, because both I would have been happy with, and I'm just so happy it was the eggs. I was really praying that it would be the egg one, and yeah, God provided and made sure that it was the egg one. So let's get into this. This is a spring diamond painting cup. It's a 9.5 times 17.5 centimeters. This is going to be the design of it. So you've got different coloured eggs, a few daisies there, and then obviously that's what you get in there. So you get your usual bits and bobs. Now I'm assuming, as you can see, you've got the white bit and then the clear bit. So I'm assuming the white bit is the bit you wash up. I don't think you would need to wash the clear bit. I mean, you can if you want, but yeah, that means if you want to wash that out, you've got to keep taking this out. So I reckon it's just the white bit. So my plan of action is to diamond paint it up, and then start using it really. So yeah, let's get into this. So massive thanks to Angela McCabe, who very kindly told me, well, she actually unboxed it and I saw it on her channel. If you haven't watched her channel, check out Haunting Going On with Angela's life journey. And yeah, I don't know if Angela's done hers yet. I think she has. So obviously this is your step-by-step guide, and they're showing you here how you put it in and out and shake it all about. Do the hug and you turn about. So yeah, they take the white bit out, so I think we'll get on with it. And Angela was like, you should get it, Mike, you should get it. And I was like, okay, well, I saw it. Now, just to point this out, these are heavily reduced at the moment. They normally are $3.99, but because Easter is now fast approaching, they're starting to reduce a lot of it. When I was on the range today on the website, they've reduced the diamond painting tote bags. If you want to get a tote bag online, we'll be mix and match out of the chicken and the rabbit, but it's only $169, I think it was, or $160. They've heavily reduced it. A lot of the Easter stuff is being reduced. So I was quite lucky when I got this, because I got it on a reduced offer. And yeah, if you want to have it reduced, wait till like the last couple of weeks of March and it should do it. Now they do put the drills inside here, because I've had that before where I've paid full price and then a couple of days later they've reduced it, and I'm like, you gits, you know. So yeah, this is what looks like it's gonna be. Yeah, so this is obviously this. I can't see why you would need to wash that out unless it got dusty, but as you see, that's what you're going to diamond paint. And then, I mean, I might just run a bit of sealer down there just to stick that, because that way I can then just keep taking it out like that rather than have to keep like wrapping it back up again. But again, if you want to wash it, you could probably put that in there and then take it out and wash it. So obviously I would have to seal it first, but as you can see, that's what it looks like. I still haven't started my oh yeah, the stick's nice. I still haven't started that multicolored one that I got. That was like my very first cup. So we got and obviously this is the bit that would obviously go in there. You screw it on like so, put your hot drink in there, and then, I mean, this might be good for taking to my work actually, because I could put that in the staff room and just you know, everyone will know it's my cup then. But it's got that little bit here to keep the drink hot for you, so I think this is going to be a really, it's nice and big as well. I mean, I could take that to Costa and say, look, could you put it in there for me? I mean, I don't know if they would let me do that, but I mean, it's a large, so I can't see why not. Or, you know, just go to Costa, get one and then pour it into this one instead. Same boat, pen, wax and tray again. And these are the drills here. Okay, so we've got a white, a yellow, a couple of pinks there, a green, dark green, an orange, minty green, blue, like, yeah, I don't know what that is. I mean, it looks blue, but it's like a greeny blue, and then 2 blues. But yeah, I'm really happy I got this, because Angela was like, you should get it, and I'm like, oh, do you know what, why not, you know, let's get it, give it a go. And yeah, so looks really Eastery as well, doesn't it? So thanks, Angela, for recommending that. I mean, it was out already, but as you know, I tend to swap and change like the weather with things. So I'll say that I don't want it, and then I go out and buy it. Now, this is what I'm really intrigued with, because if it wasn't for Harris Taylor, one of my subscribers, telling me about this, I wouldn't have known it was a thing. He left a comment on one of the videos saying that there was a pencil case out. Now, funny enough, I click and collected this, and at the time they said there was 5 in order, 5 in, you know, stock. And I then got an email about half an hour later saying that they couldn't collect it and they refunded me. And yeah, when I went in the shop the next day, they had it on the shelf. So why they refunded it, unless it was on a pallet outside the back and perhaps they didn't put them out yet, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just pleased to have one. So when they cancelled it, I was like, oh my god, I'm not going to get one now. But yeah, now Angela again has done hers, and it looks really good, because what I like is this little daisy as the zip. What I'm going to do is, once I finish with mine, I'm going to use mine to put my pens in. And I found my red pen. It was on the floor underneath the desk, but it looks quite small, so oh okay, yeah, wow. But look at that. Ah, that's interesting. Angela's was, her drills were put in the bag, but mine's been wrapped up like that. Wow, okay. Oh yeah, isn't that lovely? Look at that. Nice floral design. It's nice and pretty. I think the, you know, the colour of the material really brings out the flowers. It's a really lovely design, that. But I love this. Look at that. I mean, if only they could do like a little keychain of that. But you see, you pull it apart. I was a bit concerned because when I was watching Angela's channel, it looked like this was plastic, but it's not, so that's great. So we'll pull that across, and oh, I mean, I suppose you could use it if you wanted to as a makeup bag, but you know, pencil case, putting your drills in, it could be anything. Makeup bag, pencil case, you could put your pens in there, you could put your bags, like your spare bags like these for when you're kitting up things. It comes in handy for quite a lot of things. I know it says pencil case, but you don't necessarily have to use it as a pencil case. So yeah, the stick's perfect. So yeah, this is what I love in diamond painting, is finding new things that are not canvases. So it's really getting quite wild with things now, because this company is fantastic. Art Studio, they're called. They bring out really wacky stuff. It's really cool. So we've got our standard boats again. So I probably won't use that because I'm into these beauties now. So, and these are the drills. So we've got a blue, purple, a pink, a green, a dark green, sort of orangey colour, and a yellow. Now with that diamond painting bag, in store there, you've got to be careful, because in store they can be full priced, so it's always best to look online, click and collect it, and then you've secured in that saving. But as you can see, there are drills, so I'm going to pop these into here so I don't lose them, because as you know, they don't code them. So if you lose that, you'll be like, well, what does that go to? So we'll pop that in there. But what a cool little project. I can get that done by the end of March easy. So yeah, that'll probably be what, 2 to 3 sessions on that, but something completely different. What a lovely set of purchase. I've got myself an Easter cup and a little pencil case. So as I say, a massive thanks to Harris Taylor again, because if it weren't for him letting me know that there was a pencil case in there, I don't think I would have gone there. And I'm sure when I did the Come Shop with me yesterday, where that book, that notebook thing is, I've got it over here. That bookmark, I've already done that bookmark, but I'm sure on the bottom shelf they had a Mother's Day diamond painting, so I'm going to have to go back and have a look. I'll pop in there tomorrow after work and see whether I can find it, but I'm sure there was a Mother's Day thing. But yeah, I think next time I'll probably get that bag. There's a bag in there that I've not seen before, and it's tote bag, so I might get that design. But overall, nice little quick easy, 2 easy little projects to do there. But anyway, if you'd like to get these for yourself, they're available on the range, and remember, they are heavily discounted at the moment. So if you want to get them at a lovely deal, I mean, I paid £1.59 for this because I got it on the deal, then you can, or you can go in the store and see what they've got, or order it online. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe on the way out of this video, and we'll see you for more Wibbity chats. And bye bye for now.